Hagajialang Pdiang gilai teli kan hun nonya trok marka sarkar kabalong mentakasni ka khalai truk naibing arah jar pesan has ketrian hagba nagaliang ka sarkar ladan lang boro arhut ke sembut menteri rangba kejela ba presiden tensong menteri ketenak kampoing baru ba snyo bahlang dhar badi pej ya ketenak kamkit kamba bat nagaliang jong seng trok ladan boro lai teli seng kentup ya ka MC toda bat ya kitrai karkhana dewbilat habakren hadin gejalang usembut menteri rangba kejela badi pej ya ketenak kamkit kamba ba snyo bahlang loong ba hagne gejalang klasim ya kawai garai ba kabaikit kalong no tang kawai gador kata kalong khandai tangka 10 kilometer haka shiton hapoh kejela Meghalaya mensua gador kalong Pdiang nyau tangka ba khalwai tangka hari menta kalong bai no tang khandai tangka.
Meetings was held between the cement associations and all the 3 transport associations, and the meeting is it's a very good and nice meeting, and it's a very positive meeting, and some part we have decided today and some other part is we'll meet again sometime next week. We take number 1 is we have put the fare is before it was between 7 to 11, and today we decide only one fare, rupees 9 per kilometer. Okay. And all the transporters are happy with that.
What about this 9 rupees is for?
Type of roads, but within Meghalaya.
Presiden KMC toda ba moslum dar mangar habakren hilap thai kubor long hagne ke kren bar sarkar ki trai karkhana dibilan ki kwa pentrikam ya karai jong sarkar ke mensua kata ke baikit kalong Pdiang nyau tengka bar khawi tengka kane kalong ban knyot ya ke baikit hadin ke kren klasim ya karai ba ke baikit kalong no khandai tengka shiton 10 kilometer hapoh kejela Meghalaya.
Full gun blazing today to enforce the notification passed by the government on 13 on the passed by the government, like giving the 7 rupees per ton minimum to maximum 11 ton. Then from our side, we asked the company in front of the government, our deputy chief ministers, both the deputy chief ministers, that they always want to enforce this rule 7 to 11. Why? Because they want to squeeze us. That will take the lowest rate. Then from our side, we said now till now you are squeezing us at the lowest rate. You're giving us 7 to 11. Why not give us now at the 11 rupees? Because due to according to the times. But after a long discussion, then we said that to avoid all confrontation, if you don't want us to give the 11 rupees per ton, you should fix us a fixed rate. Don't give this rate 7 to 11, because this will give a chance, an open door for them to squeeze the stakeholders who are having trucks, the drivers and the truck owners. So at the end of the day, we are happy with both the deputy chief minister. They understand the problem, that this is a very risky thing to pass. Now in front of the Commissioner of Transport, he had passed within there itself that now they have to fix a fixed rate, that is 9 rupees per ton, not to go by this 7 to 11 rupees. I said regarding you said, are you happy? Till date we are getting the rate, but now we want there's another the point that to be discussed. Since our truck from time to time, especially our truck who are locals mean within the state. When we say local, mean not that we said that we won't allow the truck from outside. Now the truck which is used by the cement factory, their truck and the truck from outside is 2,000, 1,000 per day. But for our truck, they are giving just mere 80 truck per day. That to the Gentle Truck Owner Association and the East Gentle Truck Owner Association. So now 2,000, 1,000 they are loading, 80 truck they are giving to us. You say that, are we happy? We are not happy with that. We are fighting with that. We tell them that you have to upgrade, because coming this side, coming in the state, they set up the factory, mean they have to give us preference first. Yeah, we are not saying that we will carry all the goods, they won't carry. But we have, if we get only a mere 120, 200, 300, also we're happy. There are 1800, there are 1700 carried by them. We don't have any objection. So regarding this thing, the cement factory in front of the deputy CM, both deputy CM, they said that they will sit a meeting first, and the deputy CM both the deputy CM assure us that on Monday they should come with a decision.